Hey, this is Ian Mountford from Fit for Social. We are experts in social media marketing, and I want to just talk to you today about obscurity and how it really hurts you and what you do. A lot of people are worried about self-promotion, about, people are going to be worried if they see you on screen all the time and they're going to get bored and they're not going to listen. If you're giving people helpful information and you're able to get your message across in a very specific way, and come across as authentic and passionate about what you do, but also engaging when it comes to what you're talking about, and you're actually giving people something practical that they can work with, then it's not going to hurt you at all. The thing that makes it really, really difficult for you to push content online, to sell things online, to get followers to listen to what you say, to get people to actually pay attention, is the fact that nobody actually knows who you are right now. So until you start and produce content and put it out in a way that people find useful and helpful, until you get to that point, very, very little is going to happen. So you have to be patient, you have to stick at it, but you have to find a way of giving people what they want and actually being everywhere where people hang out that have got the money to buy your services. Obscurity is really, really going to hurt you. Self-promotion isn't an issue if people aren't buying things. It's obscurity that's the biggest issue that you face. I'm Ian from Fit for Social, and we help people avoid this obscurity issue and get their content in front of their target audience as often as possible. So if you're interested in finding out more about what we do, please have a look around this page or get in touch with me.